All right, let's try this again. We are green. We are healthy. We are back. Guys, welcome. 103 subscribers in 2.5 or 3 weeks. Absolutely unbelievable. I honestly want to thank each and every one of you from the bottom of my heart. It truly means a lot to get this much support in a bear market. I was talking to a friend today, and, we were kind of talking back and forth on the possibilities on where this thing could actually go during a healthy bull market. And it's just exciting to, think about that stuff. And I'm just beyond thrilled that I'm able to provide you guys with content that you guys find value in, and that I can actually be here and answer your questions that you have. And, to the new investor and to the new, cryptocurrency advocate, or whatever you want to call yourself, that's jumping into the market, the more tools that you have, the better. And when I started, there was a handful of people that I watched. It was almost a daily routine. And I remember how much they were able to help me in my journey on making, a living off of cryptocurrency. And it's helped tremendously. So, being able to be one of those people that can help you guys and help the newcomer, I feel like I'm doing my part in giving back, just like they were able to give to me when I first got in. I'm going to announce the $50 giveaway at the end of this video and how to enter. When we first brought it up, it was a little shaky and I wasn't sure how we were going to do it. But we do have a setup now that we're going to end up doing a random comment generator on YouTube. So we'll get into that at the end of the video. But listen, Ethereum Classic mooning right now. Coinbase officially came out on their Twitter and announced that they will now be supporting Ethereum Classic on their platform in the next month or two. And I love how they worded this. All right, let's take a look at this for a minute. 53 minutes ago, Coinbase says, "We are pleased to announce our intention to add support for Ethereum Classic ETC on Coinbase in the coming months." Now, I love how they say, "We are pleased to announce our intention," right? To me, that's kind of like, maybe we'll add it, but, it's kind of one of those things where it's said, it's done, and more than likely they will be releasing it. And I like how they did it this time, instead of just dropping the hammer like they did with Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash, I know that they got into a lot of trouble and had a lot of legality issues when Bitcoin Cash was announced and put on Coinbase back in December. And there was a little bit of insider trading going on during that whole situation. And when that news came out, and people within the Coinbase corporation put a position in, Bitcoin Cash, and was able to profit off of the news that they knew was coming out. So it's nice seeing that they're kind of putting it out in advance and, saying that in the future, within the next couple months, it will be launching, it will be supporting Ethereum Classic on Coinbase, which is huge news. A lot of people asked me if it was going to be EOS or if it was going to be Listen, EOS is now a token. Coinbase had announced just last month that they will not be supporting any tokens. So I don't think I don't think EOS is ever going to be listed onto Coinbase unless their policy changes for whatever reason. So let's take a look at the CoinMarketCap, where we stand for right now. We have a total, see, I'm used to looking at Crypto Slate, so now I'm all messed up here. Let's refresh this page. We got a market cap right now of $302 billion. And listen, I'd like to stay in the 300 billion area, we would have to stay in this area that we are currently in now. If Bitcoin decides to drop down to that $6,600, $6,400 area, I think we will go back down to the $200 billion market cap, the high $200 billion market cap area, which, you know, isn't a bad thing. Like I've been saying and like I've said in previous videos, I'm looking at this as an opportunity. You know, opportunity to grab things pretty much at a discount, and, you know, that's how we have to look at it. The more and more you stop thinking about the price, and you start and I'm talking about for you traders out there, for you day traders. Long-term investors, completely different story. You know, you'd find a project, you do your research, and you slowly ladder yourself into a position, and every drop you see on that project, you just strengthen it up a little bit more. And if you believe in it long-term, then revisit it next year or 2 years from now. And I guarantee you that it will be in a lot better shape than it is now. But, well, I don't want to guarantee that. Nothing is guaranteed. But in my opinion, I would have to say, you know, even NEO, let's see what NEO's sitting at right now. I mean, this just continues to blow me away. NEO is sitting at $46. Now, when it was trading at $140 just, what, 2 or 3 months ago, you were probably wishing you were to get it. You were able to get in at $46. And not only because of the price being doubled, but also the dividends that it pays, the gas that it pays. If you're able to hold a coin or a stock that pays you dividends just from holding it in one of your exchanges, that's a great, that's just income that you're getting from holding a position and holding a project that you believe in long term anyway. So if it's paying you dividends and it's a long term project that you don't plan on selling, then you know, it's a win-win situation. Let's take a look at some of the top movers. We have Ethereum Classic, obviously up 25% after the huge news of Coinbase now announcing that it will be listed within the next couple months. CyberMiles continuing to just move against the grain, up 21% today. Loom Network sitting at 25 cents. Now, guys, if I'm not mistaken, Loom is just kind of doing its own thing as well. I think when it was released to Binance just a couple of months, last month, it was at 11 cents. And, you know, we're trading at 25 cents now. So it's been seeing some significant gains. And it's definitely a project that I have on my radar now. You know, I like seeing projects that move against the grain of Bitcoin, because that is proven to be most of the time a very decent project to get into long term. So let's take a look at Bitcoin right now, and I just want to go over the chart. And I do still think we are not even close to being out of the woods. And guys, I want to look at the XBT chart, and we will take a look at BTC as well. But for everybody that is shorting, you know, we have a key support. We have a key resistance here that we're not able to break over. We've wicked, we've touched, but we have not closed. So I would look for a close above this resistance here, and if we do get a close above it, it could be a decent opportunity to put a long position in to at least up to the 71, 72-ish area, you know. And honestly, that would probably still validate the bear flag, even if it does go up and move sideways for the next, you know, couple of days. But that's about it. Listen, I wanted to make this video very short. I didn't really even want to get into any technical analysis. This was simply a video to thank you guys for, you know, subscribing and helping this channel and helping this community get to 100 subscribers in, you know, 3 weeks. I think that's just simply amazing, and I'm just excited for the bull market to come, for this market to reverse, because I think we're going to have a lot of fun in the future. So guys, in order to, let's talk about the $50 giveaway. What you need to do is comment down below your address and the currency that you want the $50 in. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on the YouTube generating comment selector. It's just going to do a random selection, and that's it. So all you need to do, guys, is put your address and the currency of the of where you want it to go in this post. Not anywhere else, not on my Twitter, not on previous posts, and I'm going to give 24 hours to get that done. So I hope you tune in. I hope you see this. You know, I guess I'll put it on Twitter just to send some and give, but you have to be subscribed. And I will notice that if you were part of the first 100 subscribers. So again, comment down below, hit that like button, hit that dislike button, put the address of your wallet that you want me to send the $50 to, and that's about it. So thank you guys so much for helping this community get to where it is right now in such a short amount of time. I really do appreciate it. And until the next one, happy trading. Well, no, I can't do that one. Crypto Coin News does that one. Let's think of one real quick. Until the next one, trade. No, that's not good either. Let's do until the next one. Especially, that's funny. All right, listen, just trade and be careful, all right? Put the address down below, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another live stream with another special guest, and I will talk to you all tomorrow.